show. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 'Cause you make me feel all around me. I had no time to choose what I chose to do. Yeah, you make me feel all around me for too long.
Happy New Year's, guys. Welcome back to another lovely video. It is the first video of the New Year's. It is definitely the first video of the New Year. I hope you guys all had a blessed New Year. I hope you guys are all safe and are excited to dive into this new year, which is 2022, which is pretty insane. I'm kind of shocked right now because I've been doing this since, well, this channel since 2018. But it is pretty exciting to see that we've made it really far, actually. Thinking back in 2018, what was I really doing? I think I had the Lexus, and then I transitioned finally to the Civic, and then we had that whole fiasco of build. So it's pretty crazy now, you know, fast forwarding into this year. Now we're in the Supra and not in the shop, so that's also a plus. But I am pretty excited for this year. There's a lot of things that I have planned, especially business aspect wise, but I want to keep you guys informed too, let you guys know that I promised in a past video every Tuesday and Thursday I'll be making an upload. And to be honest with you guys, I feel like that I'm just making filler episodes, kind of like an anime, but I want to make sure that the quality of the content is quality content, because it's hard for me to make that. You know, it's funny, it's only 2 days, but believe it or not, my life outside of what we do right here in this video is me just at my desk working the majority of the time, kind of like this. So yeah, as you guys can see, my life isn't all that interesting 24/7. I mean, you know, we're not building cars every single day, but we definitely have some interesting parts, of course, through my life, and I'm sure we always get an interesting day throughout the week. So I want to make sure that we make good content, quality content for you guys that happens throughout that week, and I'll post it at least one day through the week. That way you guys have some anticipation. We're staying consistent with you guys, and it's something that you guys are looking forward to as well. Tuesday and Thursday was an awesome idea for sure. I just know that I'm not at that stepping stone just yet to make content like that. Believe it or not, you know, like I said, my life is just not that interesting to be having videos like that constantly, but I can definitely get you guys one great quality video, and I'm sure you guys would like that instead. So it will be every Wednesday that you guys will get a video starting this week, which I believe this video you'll either get, which is today, Wednesday, or tomorrow, Thursday, unfortunately. So this one will run late, of course, but consistently after that it will be Wednesday for you guys. And then if there's some exciting things that happen even more throughout the week that I can post even immediately, then you guys get some bonus content throughout that week as well. But I want to get that out of the way before we start today's video, keep you guys informed, keep you guys updated on all the new things that are going to happen this year. I'm really excited to dive in. This year is going to be definitely a great year, and yeah, let's just kill it, guys. But with today's video, because I've already ranted off enough, today we're actually finally installing the flex fuel kit on the 2020 Supra. I'm excited because that's another step forward into finally getting tuned. Once this thing is tuned, my gosh, this thing's gonna be insane. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know kind of the damages we've been doing for a car that's not tuned on the platform here with just its downpipe and exhaust. I'll actually post some clips right here. that's pretty crazy. And if you guys want to see more up-to-date content too in that aspect, make sure to follow me on Instagram. Pop it up right there, of course. And yeah, I'm excited for this to be tuned. I know that once this thing is tuned, it's a completely different animal, and I'm excited for that moving forward. So today is going to be the flex fuel kit install plus oil change for the car. I don't know how much of it I'm really going to film as in like an install guide, but I know that today we're heading over to the E85 e-shop. We're definitely going to get a fun day out of it. As you guys know, every time we head over to the shop, something happens. So either I film it as an install guide, or we film it as just a vlog. We'll see, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. And again, Happy New Year's, guys. Let's go ahead and move forward today. Alrighty, guys. So we are finally here at the E85 e-shop. Here with, you already know, Mr. E85, and we are now gonna get into installing. Hold on. Sheesh. The Visconti flex fuel kit. More power, baby.
Of a power nap that is?
So instead of doing the flex fuel kit, we can just take a power nap.
Dude, I'd rather play 2 or 3 hours of Forza.
Oh, now you don't play Forza.
Teach me how to tune up Forza. 1 hour you can tune in. Another hour you can play tune. Yeah, make my money. Dude, I can make more money on Forza than I can dude. Done. The instructions said lay the harness over the engine bay, or over the engine. So I should have it like 100 horsepower.
Yeah, and we installed it, guys, just like that.
Just like that.
It's pretty simple.
So pretty much what you have to do, if you were doing one of these installs, is just kind of lay out the route of the harness, and obviously you're going to want to make it look nice, so you can tuck it. So I think the way I did mine, if I remember correctly, I ran it I for sure tucked it though. I'll figure it out right now.
We'll figure it out.
I'll run it similar to how I do mine. It should be like this. So. Yep.
So yeah, after this, guys, we're gonna go ahead and actually line up the drag Civic over there, and we're gonna get a whole comparison race.
From a dig too.
Oh, from a dig too. Jeez. But no, I'm just joking, guys. Oh, really?
I have to take it out this weekend.
Okay, perfect. So, I gotta show you guys this, because last time we didn't. Wow. Sheesh. It's real nice. So for all my 10 gen peeps that still follow, there's the drag Civic. And you thought my build was crazy.
I'm going above and beyond for you, because if you get pulled over, I want the cops to not even recognize anything.
Yeah, this is the E86 special tuck right here.
And you definitely will get pulled over.
What?
Oh, that was a joke, huh? When you got pulled over, it wasn't even a real pullover. I fell for that post.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's funny because I have to show them that clip on here too. But yes, that was a joke. I'll actually have to show them.
I remember asking, I was like, "Dude, you already got pulled over?" But then,
man, you think the cop would give you the dash cam footage like that?
You're Phong, dude.
Stupid.
Car got me all wet. I was like, what? Did you put Bemex in here? You're putting ethanol in here, huh?
There is ethanol in there, yeah.
I can smell it. Yeah. You're a brave man, dude.
Jeez, you know what I mean, bro? Stock tuned E30. Hey, do some damage.
A little
sprinkle. Alrighty, guys. So we haven't really filmed much of like a guided process. There's a little bit that Nick's kind of explained to you guys, but I figured this is more of like kind of a vlog, not too much of an install guide, because truthfully the instructions that they actually provide for you for this kit are very well described. So it's actually very easy. The only thing that we can only recommend is how we tuck it, and that's where we kind of showed for you guys, I guess, a little bit. But we're gonna wire it through here. It's gonna go through the firewall on the inside, and it will be on the passenger side for the gauge and everything. But I just wanted to show you guys the stock turbo. There's your guys' stock turbo right there. Very easily accessible, and then the downpipe, of course, is attached right there. It's kind of dark in here for you probably to see, but yeah, it's actually really not difficult to get to that part. All you have to do is remove this intake area, and I just wanted to show you guys that if I didn't really show it last time when we did the downpipe install. But as you guys can see, it's looking nice and tucked, pretty clean. Can't really tell, OEM plus right now. And plus, I mean, these cars, especially modern cars, have a lot of wires to them, so it camouflages just right. But yeah, I'm sorry that we didn't really make it too much of an install guide for you. We're just having fun doing this. As far as the flex fuel kit, the last thing, of course, would be the tune. Once we're tuned up, it's definitely going to be a pretty crazy beast. So I'm excited. I'm just glad that we can finally get this installed. This is just something that we definitely need to get out of the way. We've been having this kit for quite some time. So if you are looking to get a flex fuel kit for your Supra, I highly recommend the Visconti flex fuel kit. It is honestly the best flex fuel kit you can get. And like Nick explained, you can attach it to the car. No check engine issues at all. It's actually a very well built flex fuel kit and easy to install. Just takes some time, of course, and then however long you want to wire tug. But yeah, we'll go ahead and continue in this. We'll see how much more I film of this process. I'm sorry that I haven't really been in front of the camera too much. The next thing, of course, is just doing a quick oil change for you guys on this build, because I've driven about 6,000 miles on it, so it's definitely due for an oil change, especially for how hard I drive it. Expect to have my ears pop like that right now. Shoot, I guess I'm awake now.
I want my rematch.
Hey. Hey, I saw you finish. I just need the tune, right?
Just the tune.
Hey, it looks good though. Looks good, man.
Yeah, I got the headline.
But yeah, I ain't trying to race this, that's for sure.
It's only 100, no, actually 203 horsepower, that's all it has.
Yeah, yeah, my bad. How much, what does it weigh? on what, how many wheels?
180 pounds, I think. But I weigh fucking 400.
So I realized I didn't really come to a conclusion of today's vlog, but I just want to thank you guys for viewing today's video. I know this video was definitely a fiasco of things. It wasn't really too much of a crazy storyline, but a lot of fun things happened, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in next week's video. Like I said, we're not going to be posting twice a week anymore. It's just going to be once a week, but hopefully quality content for you guys and something that I can entertain with you guys, of course. The Supra build is still coming along. There's a lot to be done for it, and there's a lot of other stuff in life that I'm just trying to work on for this year. 2022 is definitely a year for even more growth, especially with the Phong brand. I definitely want to bring that a lot more alike. And if you guys want to support me in that aspect, feel free to check out the merch site below, and you guys can support in that way. But other than that, we're going to continue with the vlogs. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video again, and I will see you guys in the next one. As always, family, keep grinding, stay humble, and I want to change it up. Do something different today, guys. Obviously, it's New Year. Aim for your goals, aim for your dreams. Anything is possible, truthfully. And the quote that I want to leave you guys with is, if you want to buy things without looking at the price tag, you need to work without looking at the clock. Take that as you will, however you do. Other than that, I hope it resonates with you guys. And again, just keep grinding, stay humble, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.
And it goes a little something like